Initiating Teams group texting from Evolve Cellular or using MMS allows you to send messages to groups, similar to how you would from a regular cell phone using your Teams voice and text number. Here's a step-by-step guide. Click on the texting icon in the left-hand menu. To create a texting group, navigate to the Groups tab right under your voice and text number at the top of the left window. Click on the plus sign in the purple circle at the bottom of the window. Provide a name for the group by typing it in the Group Name field. For this example, keep the Text Group Contacts individually switch off. This ensures that all replies go to all numbers in the group. Broadcast text will be covered in a separate video. Enter a cellular number in the Phone Number to Add field and click the Add Number button. Repeat the process for all the numbers you want to add to the group. Once you've added all the numbers, click the check mark in the green circle at the top right of the group window. Review the Friendly Note before clicking the Save button. Creating a group mirrors the process of starting a new group text on a cell phone. For guidance on sending group text messages, refer to the video titled Teams Group Texting, Sending a Message.